Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from Miner Tycoon app. So firstly you have to log into your Miner Tycoon account. There you can see that there is no withdrawal option. It is because there is no withdrawal option. You cannot withdraw your money from this application because this is just a simulator game. You have no withdrawal option. You can't actually withdraw real money from this game. All this currency are for games only. You can buy within the game and everything. The currency is limited to the game itself, but it has no real value in the world, so you cannot withdraw any money from Master Tycoon app, but you can play this game. It's really fun to look at and to play, but sadly you cannot withdraw any money from it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.